registration and check-in application. So this application is used for checking in of the attendees. So instead of the traditional way where you have to open up and take an Excel sheet and check for each and every attendee, this helps you out to either search for an attendee with their name, email address, phone number, whatever you want. And it also prints the badges within 15 seconds.
Startup Weekend is a 54 hours event where people gonna come and they pitch their ideas and they get a market validation done.
So Startup Weekend is a very interesting format. People just come in, anybody with an idea for a product or a startup or even a business, innovative business could come here. And the idea is that you present each of them presents what they're thinking of, and in a very short 45-second presentation. At the end of it, the group votes.
We had many ideas on various formats, and yeah, that's about it. Then we called the people back. We announced 15 teams, like the top 15 teams which got maximum votes, they were announced.
And then once the ideas are picked, they form teams between the 80. The one that presented the idea becomes kind of like the idea lead, and then people just join. There's a negotiation process. Teams get formed. By about 8 or 9 today evening, the teams would get formed, and then they start hacking.
Started with our breakfast, and people have started once after they're done breakfast, mentors started coming in. Mentors, we have very good mentors like 50K Venture founder Sanjay Anishetty, Payu Money founder, and also a lot of mentors from different across domains. Sanjay Jasrani, who is running his accelerator. So they started coming and they started talking to different teams.
The one thing that truly attracts me here as a mentor or probably someone who's really here to help startups is the energy, right? People putting together a certain value proposition, whether a product or a service, in 48 hours is totally amazing.
And they also help them in their different, in different phases. Like suppose revenue generation model, during a marketing, how do you have to pitch during an event, and what you need to be very specified during in the pitching process.
So now the Sunday morning is here now. So whole night the people work on Sunday, get the things done on Saturday with the mentors and get the views on that and get the best out of it.
We are ready with the presentation, and we have thought through all the aspects of the project. We actually conducted a survey, we incorporated those results, we developed an MVP, and we also thought through the business model. So everything is in place right now, and we are just having a demo run within the team as to how should it be presented right.
We've been working on it for 2 days now, so Sanjeev has been working on the website, so that's like a basic version of it is ready, and Adil has been working on the app, so that's also ready. Ravi, Ram and I have been looking at how to gather market data and other marketing initiatives, so that's also in place. So we have a lot of data from surveys and other things. So we are stitching the story together into a deck now, so that's the fun.
So the final pitch is, it's going to be started around 3 p.m. or 3:30 we'll start it, and it will go around till 7 o'clock.
I'm pretty excited to see the entire startup scene here. A lot of hungry people. That fire is there. I saw people working overnight. I saw people come in early. I'm really looking forward to see how they have executed their ideas, what kind of products they have come out with, what was the thought behind that. So it will be a very exciting time.
So if you see, it can go viral. It's some interesting angle.
It solves the problem. It's cute, but where is the money? All the judges. So can anyone guess who's first? Are you sure? Yes!